In the silence of the snow and under the glare of the polar sun, the snowy owl, a symbol of mystery and cold beauty, rises. With its sharp golden eyes and dazzling white feathers, it lurks amid the snow like an invisible ghost. The snowy owl lives in the Arctic tundra of North America and Eurasia and is one of the most resilient birds to harsh environments. Undaunted by extreme cold, it thrives in it. Its thick feathers insulate it from freezing temperatures, and its ability to fly silently allows it to approach its prey without warning. They feed mainly on rodents and small birds, and can hunt their prey even under a layer of snow, using their unparalleled sense of hearing. In a world of stillness and coldness, she moves like a shadow, unseen but always watching.